This total precast manufacturing and office facility spans 55,000 square feet and was designed to support nearly 200 employees across a mix of work and production spaces. Precast's inherent strength and resilience provided a robust, low-maintenance structure capable of supporting heavy industrial use and long-term occupancy. The industrial design carries through to the interior, where exposed precast columns are integrated into the modern aesthetic as intentional architectural features.
The building utilizes a wide range of precast elements, including precast walls, beams, columns, solid slabs, hollow core planks, and precast stairs. One of the defining architectural features is a suspended staircase that reflects the client's commitment to precision engineered technology. Ultimately, the flexibility, durability, and architectural quality of precast aligned more closely with the owner's vision for a high-performance, future-ready facility.